morning, everyone. Today our topic will be formation of pollen tube and male gametes. So, what is pollination? Pollination is the process in which pollen grains, this one is a pollen grain, they are transferred to the caterpillar, to the stigma. This is the stigma. It is also assisted by pollinating agents such as insects, mammals, birds, water, or even wind. So, let's take a look at the process of formation of pollen tube and male gametes. So the wall of the anther from mature pollen will dry, shrink, and then split. Pollen grains in the pollen sac are released. It releases and then it goes towards the stigma, which is right here. They transfer the stigma of the same or even different flowers. Thirdly, the pollen grains will germinate and then form a pollen tube. This is a pollen tube and this is the stigma. It goes downwards. And then for the generative nucleus, which is this one, will move along the pollen tube towards the ovule. The generative nucleus, while going down, it will divide by mitosis to form two male gametes. And then at the end of the pollen tube, it will secrete an enzyme that digests the tissues of the style. When it reaches the embryo sac, the pollen tube will penetrate the ovule through the microfile. The tube nucleus will degenerate and both male gametes enter the embryo sac. Okay, that's all.
So today we will be explaining about double fertilization. Okay, so after pollen grain lands on the stigma, the pollen grain will germinate to produce the pollen will germinate to produce pollen tube by the tube nucleus. Okay, so the pollen tube will grow to the ovule, which is led by the tube nucleus. Okay, so at the same time, the generative nucleus will enter the pollen tube and undergoes mitosis to produce two male gametes. Okay, so the first male gamete will fertilize with the egg cell to produce a diploid zygote. Okay, so that's the first. So the second one, the male gamete will fertilize with the two pollen nuclei to form triploid endosperm tissue, which is this one. Okay, so the function of the diploid zygote, okay, so one of the function is the genetic information is passed down from one generation to the other generation. Okay, so the second function is the diploid zygote restores haploid condition in gametes with the formation of the diploid zygote. Okay, so that's for the diploid zygote. So for the triploid endosperm tissue, so one of the functions of the diploid endosperm tissue is it enables the embryo to survive in the seed for a long time if conditions are not favorable for germination to occur. So that is all for double fertilization. Thank you for listening.